Hi guys, my name is Jinson Johnny, and today I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to convert your sketch file to a PowerPoint presentation. So assuming you have already read this tutorial on medium.com, so still if you have no idea on how to convert your sketch files to a PowerPoint presentation, you can watch this video. So before starting, let me open my sketch file, and I have 7 slides designed in Sketch. So I have my layers aligned from bottom to top structure, and I have my slides present in slide artboard. Okay, and also make sure your slides have only two types of layer, either a text layer or a bitmap layer. So for example, if I have this rectangle layer and when I export it to the converter, only these 4 layers would be converted to a PowerPoint presentation. This one would be ignored. So if you want this rectangle to be on a presentation, you could simply convert it to a bitmap by going to layer, flatten selection to bitmap. Okay, so for this tutorial I don't think I need this one. So okay, so let me save my sketch file and go to the converter. Now simply drag your sketch file to the converter. So wait until the file is uploaded. Yeah, so once the file is uploaded, you have to fill in some required details. So this would be the name of your PowerPoint presentation. So let me name my presentation. That's it. Don't add .ppt or something. Just leave it blank and select an artboard. For our tutorial, we would be using this artboard, which would be slide. So slide, and alignment would be from bottom to top. So bottom to top, yeah, and then hit convert now. So it might take some time, but you have to wait. And this one depends on how big your file is. So for this one, I think it might take a small time. Yeah. So now I have my presentation converted into a PPT file. So let me check whether I have all the layers converted. Yeah, so I have all my 7 artboards converted into a PowerPoint presentation, and all the layers are editable. Yeah, so thank you for watching this tutorial, and if the tool is helpful to you, please suggest it to the other designers who use the Sketch. Thank you.